so excited to be doing the Limitless conference yet again. At Columbia College, we've flipped the conventional academic conference format. This is a chance for our newcomer students, instead of listening to a teacher, we put them on stage and they get to share their ideas for projects, research, or passionate interests that they have to advance the future and imagine a brighter future for society.
Hi guys, my name is Diana Simoy. I am currently pursuing psychology at Columbia College. What motivated me to join the Limitless conference are a lot of things. First, you can add up to your CCR record. Second, you get to showcase the topic that you are interested with. You get to showcase your talent, the skills that you have, building communication skills, and meeting a lot of people. Third, I strive for excellence. So there is inside of me that I need to be competitive. So that's the reason why I joined Limitless in 2024.
For this year, I participated in the Science Fair poster presentation, and to be honest, at first I was really nervous, but with help from my mentor, it became really clear what I was gonna do, and I really encourage students to participate in this because it counts towards your CCR record.